Hey, this is Joakim. Welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool right here, and basically what this is a case for your iPhone 8 Plus. So yes, obviously it is a really old phone, but these cases are still available because people still like the older phones. Where it still has a Touch ID because a lot of people like that option instead of the Face ID. But for the case that we got right here is from this brand right here. And this is like a floral design on here, and there's a lot of other features that's on here as well. But let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take out the product, you can see how it's all nicely wrapped. But let's take it out. Alright, so you can see that once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So you can see right here, they definitely have like a floral design on here. And for the one that we got right here, it's kind of like a pink color or floral color. They do have other ones available that's like in black, blue, marble, and some other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. So this is basically what it actually looks like in the front. And here's what it looks like in the back. So they definitely have the opening for the camera lens right here. And you see inside right here, they definitely have like a wrist strap option. So we pull it out. You can basically use that wrist strap like this to actually carry around if you guys want to, which is pretty nice. And I really like the way how they designed this wrist strap option right here. So that way when you guys are not using it, you guys can push it back inside right here. So that way everything is all organized. You can see right there. So they definitely have this option for you guys to actually put in the wrist strap option when you guys are not using it. And also if you guys look really carefully on the wrist strap right here, they actually have a floral design inside that actually looks really nice as well. But basically for this wrist strap option right here, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. If you guys want to take it out, you can definitely take it out like that. And then right here, you can see they do have the logo right here. And the overall product right here, when you guys feel the material on here, it is a PU leather material. And then right here, they have a really strong magnet on here that actually clips it really nice, if you can see. So that way you guys don't have to worry about the phone getting loose or anything. But let's open up the inside and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we open up, you guys can see that this is basically what the inside looks like. So you can definitely see the inside right here is actually really floral. But when you see on this side right here, they definitely have a bunch of these slots for you guys to actually put like your credit card, your ID, or whatever. But they basically have 1 slot, 2 slot, and 3 slot right here. So this slot right here, you can probably put like your ID card or something. And on the side right here, when you see they have the slot right here. So if you guys want to put like important notes or documents, or if you guys want to put cash in here, you can definitely do that as well. And then basically on this side right here is where you can put on the phone. And they do have a little protection layer right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so once we remove the protection layer, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you definitely have the slot right here for the buttons right here. And then same thing on this side as well. And then obviously they have the opening for the lens right here. And the material that they use on here is a little bit flexible as well, if you can see. And when you guys feel the material on here, so it's not like a hard shell or anything. It definitely feels like a flexible silicone material on here. But the way how to design this part right here definitely give you guys the protection. So if you guys accidentally drop it, you don't have to worry about it. So the case itself is definitely shockproof, but they also mentioned how the case is water resistant as well. So if you guys get water on here, it should be fine. And also for the material that they use on here, they mention how it's anti-fingerprint as well. So you don't have to worry about any fingerprint that stays on here, which is pretty nice. And obviously in the bottom right here, they do have the opening slot for you guys to plug in your cable to recharge it. And also the opening for the speakers as well. And the last thing that's really cool about this case is the fact that they give you guys this foldable option right here. So basically when you guys put your phone inside right here, if you guys want to hold it down right here, so that way, as you actually watch a movie or whatever, you definitely have the option available, which is pretty awesome. So whether you want to watch it this way, or if you guys want to watch it this way, you definitely have those 2 options available. And basically, once you guys are done using your phone, you can close it up like this, and use the magnetic option right here to seal it back up. But then you see in here, it definitely has a really strong magnet on here, which is pretty nice because there's a lot of other cases available out there that doesn't have a strong magnet. And that kind of sucks because you guys want to make sure you guys have a strong magnet on here to actually hold it in place. So that way you guys don't have to worry about anything falling out. And also for this case right here, if you guys want to do wireless charging, you definitely can as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just put this down and show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys put the phone on. And we'll also test out the wireless charging option. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the case. Let me actually put it on the phone to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you basically want to clip it in. Alright, so once you guys clip it in, this is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys close it back up, this is basically what it looks like in the front. And this is what it looks like in the back part right here, if you can see. So you definitely have the opening to actually plug in the cable and for the speaker as well. And then side right here, we do have the button slot as well. And then same thing for other side when you guys open it up. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys put the phone inside. Let me actually test out the wireless charging as well. Alright, so we got our wireless charger right here. Let's test it out and see what actually works. Alright, so you can see it definitely does work. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the stand option, you can definitely do that as well. Let me show you how it works. So this is one option right here. So you can definitely actually use that option right here to hold your phone up if you guys want to watch videos or do work or whatever. another way to use it is go like this. So you can definitely do that as well. And then another option to do that as well. So you definitely have 3 different positions on here to actually watch stuff at the same time. So you definitely use the phone stand on here as well, which is pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now there's a quick test of the product and definitely see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. So if you guys do have like the older version of this phone, like the iPhone 7 Plus or iPhone 8 Plus, where it still has the Touch ID option. And if you guys want to have like the wallet option where you can put your credit cards, your IDs, your cash, notes, or whatever. And also if you guys like everything else that's included in the product, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.